everyone and welcome back to the channel.
Good, good, good.
Well, today is another exciting upgrade for the L200.
Yeah, coffee's already down.
Glow plugs are going in today, so if you have already watched the injectors and you want to skip over us dismantling there, hopefully I'll have put a timestamp in. And also, I skip through videos trying to find the torque setting. You can see there for these glow plugs on this car, 15 to 20 Newton meters. So that's
then you don't have to watch
That's because I'm nice, you don't have to watch, you can just do that if you're looking for the torque.
Yeah.
So,
but still give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, you better do. So we'll put in the...
sorry, I'll start in there,
no,
sorry.
We'll put in the dismantling bit and then we'll catch you in a second when we're taking up the glow plugs. Right, so our first little job is to disconnect the battery. So Dad's on that now. And whilst he does that, I'm going to start disconnecting all the bits for this intercooler, which is size 10s. One here, one here, one here, and one here.
Well, are they all 10s?
They are.
Right.
Got it? So on mine I got clamps here and here. This one's a size 10. So I'll start with this one, just to remove the pipe. And in here I've just got a little size 7 on this clamp to take off. And then just before we remove it, we'll also have to disconnect the fan plug. Right, and the fan plug is just here, and it's a little pinch job and a pull. There we go. So we should hopefully be off. That's it.
There we go.
Nice. Right, now I'm going to get Dad to remove all the bolts on here, which are size
8mm.
8.
And you realise it's an 8mm when you actually put the 8mm end on, not that end.
Not the square end, yeah. It took him ages to find the right size. But anyway, size 8 on there, and I'm going to remove this connector here, which looks like a size 10.
Desperately trying not to drop it.
Not to drop them.
Because if I was going to drop one, that was my favourite one to drop.
There we go. That's it, power cable.
Certainly some gunk all over them.
Yeah, covered in oil.
As you can see.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
That comes off, but you don't actually, I took all the screws off, you don't have to.
You can just slide that out.
But
that needs a proper clean anyway.
Needs a proper clean.
Yeah. Right, so I'm going to start my way from the back. Now there is a little connector here which I think could be in my way, and it is. So I'm going to have to just take that off to get a bit more access. And I'm hoping I can just push that to the side. Okay, so we're going to remove this connector and pop it up here out the way, and I'll put that bolt back in so I don't lose it.
That's pretty to watch, isn't it? Well,
Murdoch, you beauty.
One down, let's hope we continue.
Yeah. Oh, that's coming out with a finger. Murdoch, you beauty. These.
It's going to be grim.
Oh yeah. Take a look, hang on. Take a look at the end of that. Oh boy, fair bit of carbon deposit on there. Look. Now this was me just showing the old versus new whilst Dad was making so much noise in the background.
Oh, bastard.
Now when reinstalling the glow plugs, I tend to feed them in by hand to make sure that the threads are nice and clean. If it's difficult to get in, try and give the threads a clean. Obviously try not to drop any debris inside the engine. Right, now the torque setting for this is between 15 and 20 Newton meters, so I'm going to go for 70 Newton meters and see how that feels. There we are. That's in there. Nice. Now it's time to put the small nuts back on top of the glow plugs about halfway with enough gap underneath them to slide the metal plate back in to connect them all together.
There we have it there, happy?
Yep. Right.
So what's your
confidence level?
Yeah.
Solid 9 out of 10. Ooh. I mean, hopefully the glow plug light goes out, that's all I'm worried about. Right then, that's Murdoch's little beauty spa treatment done. That was
so far
overdue job. That was really. So it started.
So we'll keep our eye on the smoke. There's going to be
fuel isn't going everywhere. So
no.
It started and
got one screw missing. One bolt,
probably in the skid plate that Dad dropped on the glow plug, but it's just neither here nor there. He started, so. I'm very happy with that. That's a good job done.
Yeah,
and
no leaks.
Didn't snap off a glow plug in the head. That's what I was worried about because I thought they'd be really caked in. Finger loose out of there. Great. Couldn't have asked for an easier one, really.
No, good job that one.
Yeah, really
very
good.
chuffed with that.
We're happy with that because we were a bit nervous of it because we've only done it once on the ML. But
I'm nervous of everything.
Yeah, quite right. So hopefully you.
And it doesn't look like a piece of dog down there.
No,
now,
it doesn't.
so
It's nice and clean.
Great.
Yeah, it's nice and clean. It's not oily and muddy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching.
But thanks for watching.